Simple Future Tense Challenge English Quiz Part 2. 10 multiple choice questions with answers and explanations. Understanding simple future tense, be going to is used for pre-planned future actions or predictions based on clear evidence right now. The formula is subject plus to be, am, is, or are, plus going to plus verb 1. Question number 1. Look at those dark clouds. It blah 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 rain very soon. A. Are going to. B. Is going to. C. Goes to. D. Is going to. The answer is B. Is going to. The explanation: we use be going to for predictions when there is clear physical evidence right now. The dark clouds, since it is singular, we use is going to. Question number 2. I blah 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 my grandparents in Bandung this weekend. I already bought the train ticket. A. I'm going to visit. B. Will going visit. C. Are going to visit. D. Is visit. The answer is A. Am going to visit. The explanation: this is a pre-planned actions will prove the ticket. For the subject I, the correct form is am going to plus verb 1. Question number 3. What blah 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 you blah 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 where from the graduation party next Saturday? A. Will and going to. B. Do and going to. C. Are and going to. D. Is and going to. The answer is C. Are and going to. To form a question, we split the be verb and place it before the subject. Are plus you plus going to plus verb 1. Question number 4. She blah 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 studied law at university because she wants to be a lawyer. A. Will going to. B. Is going to. C. Am going to. D. Are goes to. The answer is going to be. This expresses a future intentions or ambitions. She takes the singular verb is, followed by going to plus verb 1, study. Question number 5. We blah 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 buy a new house because we don't have enough money. A. Aren't going to. B. Isn't going to. C. Won't going to. D. Not going to. The answer is A. Aren't going to. The explanation: to make a negative sentence with the plural subject we use are plus not or aren't plus going to. Question number 6. Watch out. You blah 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 drop those expensive glasses. A. Will going to. B. Are going to. C. Is going to. D. Am going to. The answer is B. Are going to. Explanation: we use be going to for things that are just about to happen based on the current situations. You takes the verb are. Question number 7. My brother blah 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 buy a new laptop next month. He has been saving up for it. A. Will going to. B. Is going to. C. Am going to. D. Are going to. The answer is B. Is going to. This is a clear future plan that has been prepared in advance, saving money. And my brother or he takes is going to. Question number 8. Blah blah blah, they going to join us for dinner tonight. A. Is. B. Do. C. Am. D. Are. The answer is D. Are. The sentence already contains going to. We just need the correct be verb at the beginning from the plural subject they, which is are. Question number 9. I blah 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 joined the football club this semester. I want to focus on my music lessons instead. A. I'm not going to. B. Isn't going to. C. Won't going to. D. Not going to. The answer is A. I'm not going to. The negative form from the subject I is am plus not plus going to. Question number 10. The score is 4-0 and there are only 2 minutes left. They blah 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 win the match. A. Will going to. B. Are going to. C. Is going to. D. Go to. The answer is B. Are going to. This is a prediction based on the present evidence, the current score and time left. Since they is plural, we use are going to. Quick summary of simple future tense, reviewing the key structures and rules. Affirmative, subject plus is, am, are plus going to plus verb 1. Negative, subject plus is or am or are plus not plus going to plus verb 1. Interrogative, is or am or are plus subject plus going to plus verb 1. Not, Always use the past form of the verb after be going to. And remember, never say going to goes, going to eating, or going to played. And to be, I, must plus am plus going to plus verb 1. And then he or she or it or singular plus is plus going to plus verb 1. And then you or we or they or plural plus are plus going to plus verb 1. You must remember this formula. Thank you for participating in the Simple Future 10 quiz. Feel free to ask any question and write it on the comment section.